Hi, I'm Martin McAssey. I'm a stained glass artist and teacher. I've been working with stained glass since the early 1990s and teaching stained glass classes since 2005. I get a great deal of enjoyment from running glass classes. It's really important to me that my classes are welcoming and that I create an atmosphere that is friendly and fun. My classes are very hands-on and lots of planning goes into each of my lessons, so that when you arrive for the first time, I can welcome you into the studio, and in a very short space of time, you'll be learning how to cut your first piece of glass. Each of my students has their own workbench and all the tools and equipment they will need while taking part in the course.
I just love coming here, and I think that the way we're being taught by Martin is brilliant, really, full of sort of ideas, but not imposing. You're left on your own when it's necessary, but also given instruction in every step of the way.
You will have the opportunity to learn both Tiffany and traditional methods of stained glass construction. As you progress through the course, you will learn how to select the right piece of glass for the project you are making, how to cut and break glass to fit a pattern, how to grind glass and how to cut and shape lead cane. You will also learn soldering, beading and finishing techniques. I work hard to provide a learning environment where people can be creative and switch off from the stresses of everyday life.
I think the main thing for me is that it's so different to what I do on a daily basis. I'm normally sat in front of a computer screen and dealing with people, so being able to get my head down for 2 hours and do something creative and with my hands and not be sat is the best thing for me. It allows my brain to switch off from daily life and get something pleasurable and something decorative out of it at the end.
Despite having retired, my life is really hectic and busy, but when I come here I just get totally absorbed in what I'm doing and everything else goes out of my mind, and the class passes so quickly I don't want to go at the end, I don't want to leave at the end.
I get a great deal of satisfaction from teaching. It's a real pleasure to work with someone who has never cut a piece of glass before, and by the end of the course, they've made a piece of stained glass art. I'm always amazed by the creativity and quality of the work made by my students, from traditional stained glass windows to intricate Tiffany lamps.